Watch this video and learn how to draw a worm. Yay!
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Hello.
Hello, Artie. Welcome the little artists.
Welcome to Artie's show.
Welcome, everyone. Do you know what we're going to draw today?
Yeah.
We're going to draw a worm.
Oh.
Do you like worms?
Yeah.
So do I. They're funny looking.
Are you ready to make some art?
Let's go, Betty. Okay, Artie, let's start at the top. Draw a large C shape at the top of the page. Go around a little bit more, Artie. That's right, even a little bit more. Just a little bit. There you go.
Look at him go, little artists.
He's so good at drawing.
Now let's curve round at the bottom and do a little T shape at the end. Do you want to go in the garden and look for worms later?
Okay.
Yes, that'll be fun. We'll do that after the drawing. Now do a big curved line up towards the top. Leave a little gap. That's where the worm's eye is going to go later. Now let's do another curvy line that sort of follows the first one. If Artie's drawing a little bit too quickly for you, here's a message from Louie.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away. And when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Let's do a wavy line along the bottom. Nice and wavy. Get to the end, turn around, and come back along with another wavy line. That's right. Are you ready to draw the eyes? We'll start with a little black dot. And then another black dot on the left. Now draw a little half circle around that left dot. Now let's do a big oval shape around the right dot. That's going to be his right eye. Very good, Artie. Now let's do some eyebrows. Just little triangles and shade them in black. One on the right. Let's do one on the left. You want a joke break? Come on then, let's have a joke break.
Man, I sure am glad we're here inside. The weather outside's awful. And speaking of the weather, what happens when it rains cats and dogs? You have to be careful not to step in a poodle. What did one lightning bolt say to the other lightning bolt? You're shocking. What's it called when it rains chickens and ducks? Foul weather.
I thought it rained cats and dogs, not chickens and ducks. Now, we're going to stripe the body of our worm, and we do that by doing little curved lines all the way down his neck. Do some more, Artie, all the way down. Don't be shy. That's right. And now let's bend around the corner, and let's do little curved lines all the way along our worm's body, all the way to his tail. Did you not know that worms have tails, Artie? A couple more of our little curved short lines.
Artie's having so much fun.
Oh, what are you doing now, Artie? Oh, I know. It's grass. You're showing that the worm is crawling through some grass. That's very clever. You're finished? Let's colour it in.
Color it in, color it in, color it in. Wow, I'm really impressed with that. What a great day.
It was a fantastic day.
It's always a fantastic day around here, Betty. Well, little artists, we hope you have an arty day. We'll see you again soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.